our next problem is we want to find which is the largest digit in the given number, and using what recursion we need to find. Okay, let's say then the question comes here. In this case, the first question is what is a base component, what is a recursive component. What is a base component? The least possible input. What is a recursive component? That I need to call the function again. Okay, if you remember, we said like this: what is recursion? Is writing a solution to a problem using the problem itself. Writing a solution to a problem using a problem what? Itself. That means when you are writing a solution, the solution should contain problem itself. Okay. Let's go and analyze what is a base component, what is a recursive component. Okay, done. Okay, so let us see the problem is. Okay, the problem is I need to find the largest digit in the given number. Okay, so let's say in this case this is the number. This a number is being given. I need to find the largest what digit. Okay, so let's say in this case the name of the function is max. Name of the function is what? Max. I need to find the max is going to give me the largest digit. What is going to take? A number from me and is going to return to me a digit. Okay, done. So how I'll call this? If x is this number, I'll say what in this case to call this function, I'll say what? Max of x, and it's going to give me the largest digit. I'll store it in what? M. Now I need to see what is a base component I need to put, what is a recursive. Let's break down the problem. So 71845 is a number. Okay. Now if I give this number, can I say the largest digit in this number is the largest digit, the max of 71845 is the maximum of 7184 needs to be compared with 5. Whoever is greater, that needs to be written. Either one of this will be greater or this will be greater, that needs to be written, right? Now what is max of 7184? Max of 7184 is the maximum of 718 needs to be compared with 4. That result needs to be written here. What is maximum of 718 would be? Maximum of 71 needs to be compared with 8. That needs to be written here. What is maximum of 71? Okay. The max of 7 needs to be compared with what? 1. That value needs to be written. What is maximum of 7? You can't split now. Maximum of 7 is what? 7 only. 7 is greater than 1. Condition is true. That 7 will be written here. 7 is greater than 8. Condition is false. Therefore, who is greater what? 8 will be written here. 8 is greater than 4. Condition is true. Therefore, I will return the 8. 8 is greater than 5. Condition is true. I will return what? 8 to this. See where we started, where we are going to end. Therefore, this base component is going to be, if I have a 1 digit, I can't split. How to write this 1 digit? You can simply say if n by 10 is equal to 0. N by 10 is 0 means what? The quotient is 0 means that is a single digit. Return n itself. If not what? What I should do? I need to find this digit. How to find this digit? Let's say integer x is equal to n mod 10. Integer y is equal to what I should write? Max of what I should write? What? N by 10. Compare whoever is greater. See, this is going to give me a result. Remember, recursion is the writing a solution to a problem using a problem itself, but not with the same input but with a different input. Remember that. Okay, now what I need to compare. If x is greater than y, return what? X. Otherwise, I need to return what? Y. That's it. Correct? Yeah. I showed you how it works here. It went backwards, will go. Let's convert into a code here. Okay. Let's say my n is what? 71843. I need to find which is the largest digit. I call what? This. So what I should do? If n by 10 is equal to 0, that means it has a single digit. The single digit cannot be splitted. Therefore, I am going to say return n itself. If not, what I am going to do? Integer x is equal to max of n divided by 10 is 1. Okay, find the remaining. I put there, I wrote x and y volta, but integer y is equal to what I should write, n mod 10, right? They will give me the one digit, right? If I give 71843, this will give me 3. This is going to find the maximum of what? This, right? And I need to say if x is greater than y, return x, else return what? Y. Do that's I got. Sorry, hey, this don't show this. Now see, I need to put here my n. I need to substitute. Not that I put this, and I put run the code. I got the answer. What? 8. Yeah. I hope that you understood. So if you want, we can break down this. Okay, let's break down this problem, and then I'll give a dry run to you so that you understand better. Okay, so this is the code I got written. Okay, so I wrote here like this: integer max integer n, right? If n by 10 is equal to 0, return n itself. If not, what we did was, if not, we said like this: integer x is equal to max of n by 10. Okay, the remaining digits my maximum, and I am going to n mod 10 single digit. Now what I am going to do, I said if x is greater than, return x, else return what? Y. Correct. So let's see, let's run the code. Okay, let's run the code. I call the function for max of 71843. When I call this, see here, I'm going to consider this as a first statement, second statement, and third statement. Okay. Now when I call this, n by 10 is 0, condition is false. Therefore, if it is false, in order to complete this function, I need to execute 3 statements. 1, 2, 3. The first statement I'm going to execute. What is the first statement is what? X is equal to max of n by 10. N by 10 means 718484. So I'm going to call the function for max of 7184. Remember, I said in the recursion that for every call there is a new set of local variables are made. 7184 I call. Max of 7184 divided by 10. How much it is? What? 0. Condition is false. Execute 3 statements. First statement, max of n by 10, 718. Max of 718. Call for 718. 718 is equal to what? 718 divided by 10 is what? 71 is 0. No. Execute 3 statements. First statement, max of 71. Max of 71. And I call max of 71. 71 divided by 10 is 7, which is 0. I went to the else part. I am going to execute 3 statements. First statement, max of 71 divided by 10 is 7. Max of 7. 7 by 10. What I get? What? 0. 0 means I need to execute only one statement. What is the statement? Return 7. Return will go back to the caller from where you came. Okay, done. Next statement, n mod 10. 71 modulus n is what? 1. Third statement, x is greater than y. 7 is greater than 1. Condition is what? True. Return 7. 7 will go back to the caller. Next statement, n mod 10. 71, 718 modulus n is what? 8. 7 is greater than 8. Condition is false. Therefore, return y. Go back to the caller. Next statement, n mod 10. How much I get? What? 4. 8 is greater than 4. Condition is to return what? 8. 8 to the caller. N mod 10. 71843 modulus n is 3. 8 is greater than 3. Condition is true. Return 8. Return 8 will go back to the caller. That's it. Okay.